Hey guys, so we're going to start on page 52, which is a lesson 11 sprint. You're going to do a 90-second timing. So have someone set a timer for 90 seconds and say go. You start on number 1 and do as many as you can, then have your families go back and correct them and see how many you got right. Okay, so that's job number 1. We'll go ahead and skip page 53. We'll be doing that tomorrow. So don't get rid of this packet. We'll finish the packet today, but don't get rid of it. We'll save it for this page for tomorrow. Okay, so make sure you watch that lesson 11 video, and then we'll go ahead and get started. So, page 54 says, Jeremy had 7 big rocks and 8 little rocks in his pocket. How many rocks does Jeremy have? So it wants us to circle all student work that correctly matches the story. So let's look at work A. Okay, so Jeremy had 7 big rocks and 8 little rocks. So there's 5, 6, 7 big rocks, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little rocks. So we see that. 7 big ones and then 8 little ones, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we borrowed the 3. Okay, so 7 plus 8 is 15. Does that match the story? Yeah, so it wants us to circle all the student work that's correct. So we'll go ahead and circle that one. So now, this group, or this student, drew 5, 6, 7 big rocks and 5, 6, 7, 8 little rocks. Made 10. 5 and 5 is 10. So made 10 and has 5 left over. So 10 and 5 is 15. So 7 plus 8 is 15. That is also a good way to do it. Okay, here we have 10 big rocks and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8 little ones. So 10 big, 8 little, 7 plus 8 equals 15. Is that right? No, because they're showing us 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8 would be 18. We know he only has 15, so this picture doesn't match the answer. So that is not a correct one. Okay, so now we have a borrow one. 7 plus 8 equals 15. So 7 little rocks plus the 8 big rocks. He borrowed 3 from the 8 to make 7, 10, and had 5 left. So it was 10 plus 5. Does that work? Yeah, that works. Okay, so go ahead and look at the last 2 and tell me if yes, they did them correctly, or no, they did not. So either circle it if yes, it matches, or if it doesn't, cross it out. So they want us to fix the work that was incorrect by making a new drawing in the space below with the matching number sentence. Okay, so this one over here was incorrect. So in order to fix it, we would have to do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 big rock, or no, 7 big rocks, sorry. 7 big rocks, and then 8 little rocks. So I'd have to borrow 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got to borrow 3 of those little rocks. So now I've got my 10. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that would become 10 and 5. So 7 plus 8 equals 15. Okay, that would solve that one. If there's another one on here that's wrong, okay, then solve it also down here. But it'll be up to you to determine if there's one that's wrong or not. Okay? moving on to page 55. Solve on your own. Show your thinking by drawing or writing. Write a statement to answer the question. So there are 4 vanilla cupcakes and 8 chocolate cupcakes for the party. How many cupcakes were made for the party? So 4 vanilla, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8 chocolate. Okay, so they want us to show our thinking by drawing or writing and then write a statement to answer the question. So 4 vanilla cupcakes and 8 chocolate. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6. So I've got my 4 vanilla and I had to add 6 of my chocolate in there. 7, 8. So 4 vanilla, 6 chocolate there, 2 chocolate over there, becomes 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 equals 12, so 4 plus 8 must also equal 12. So then I would write, there are 12 cupcakes for the party. Okay? So you're gonna do the same thing down below. There are 5 girls and 7 boys on the playground. How many students are on the playground? Okay, and there are multiple ways to solve the problem. You don't have to do pictures. You can do number bonds. You can do whatever works for you to solve it. Okay, so solve number 4, and that is that for page 55. And then you're going to do for page 56, I want you to choose 2 and solve. You don't have to do all 3, but you need to do 2. If you want to do all 3, extra bonus points for you. Great job. That would be awesome. That's going above and beyond. So just solve 2. So there are 7 girls and 9 boys on the soccer team. How many kids are there on the team? You can draw a little picture over here. You can borrow 1 from the 7 and go and write 10 plus 6 down at the bottom and say that 10 plus 6 equals 16. So 7 plus 9 must also equal 16. You can do something just like that. You can draw a picture, but solve 2 of them and then take a picture of that. Page 56, remember not to toss this packet yet because we're gonna go back and do page 53 tomorrow for math. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. One more day till the weekend. Yay!